quality goes in before the name goes on. Interior tone level is moderate with this Race Demon True dual exhaust. Pick your sound and your tips before you buy at Rich's. With all major brands in stock, we have you covered. To further optimize your vehicle's performance, we carry AFE, K&N, and Air Raid. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See it and hear it at richesperformanceexhaust.com.